Welcome you all to the SPCN channel. Today we are going to looking forward the lesson on climate and natural vegetation of India. So this is a lesson which I selected from state board syllabus. This is a lesson come as second lesson of geography. Please join with me to get into the answers of climate, natural vegetation of India. So before getting to the video, please share the video or whatever the video which is shared with you already to your friends and as well as to your unknown friends. So definitely I hope this video will help you to gain marks in your public exam. So keep support to me. Keep support to me every time. Climate and natural vegetation of India. So here have some 9 short answers, 3 distinguish between, 2 give reason and 2 detailed answers. So let's see one by one. So first we have to get into the short answer category. So the first short answer is list the factors. List the factors which affect the climate. List the factors which affect the climate. Which affect the climate. So first one, altitude. Second one, latitude. Third one, distance from sea. Fourth one, relief features. And so on. Altitude, latitude, distance from sea, relief features and so on. So these are some factors which affect the climate of India. Second one, normal lapse rate. Normal lapse rate. So normal lapse rate means when height will increase, that time temperature will decrease. When height increase, temperature will decrease. Let's get into the second answer. What do you mean by normal lapse rate? What's the first point you have to write? When height increase, temperature decrease. Second thing, temperature decrease for every 1000 meter. For every 1000 meter at 6.5 degrees Celsius. This is called normal lapse rate. So temperature, when height increase, temperature decrease. Temperature decrease for every 1000 meter at 6.5 degrees Celsius. This is called as the normal lapse rate. Then next question. Third one, jet stream. What is jet stream? So answer will be jet stream. Jet stream is the fast moving wind. fast moving wind in the narrow zone of upper atmosphere. So jet stream is the fast moving wind, not wind. Jet stream is the fast moving wind in the narrow zone of upper atmosphere. Then second point will be it divided into westerly wind, easterly wind. Westerly wind, easterly wind. Then fourth question. Write a note on monsoon wind. Write a note on monsoon wind. First one. It's a seasonal reversal wind. It's a seasonal reversal wind. Second one. It originates due to planetary winds and pressure belt. It originates due to planetary winds and pressure belt. So only 2 points we have to write for the monsoon wind. It's a seasonal reversal wind. It originates due to planetary winds and pressure belt. Fifth question. Name the 4 seasons of India. First one, winter. Second one, summer. Third one, southwest monsoon. And the fourth one, northeast monsoon. Sixth question. What is burst of monsoon? Burst of monsoon. Answer will be the sudden approach of. The sudden approach. The sudden approach of rain with thunder and lightning. The sudden approach of rain with thunder and lightning is called burst of monsoon. Seventh question. Name the areas which receive heavy rainfall. Name the areas receive receive heavy rainfall. For that, answer will be Western Coastal Plain. Western Coastal Plain, Meghalaya, Tripura. Western Coastal Plain, Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Western Coastal Plain, Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Then 8th one. Mangrove forest in India. The deltas of Ganga, Krishna, Brahmaputra. The deltas of Ganga, Krishna, Brahmaputra. Only three. The deltas of Ganga, Krishna, Brahmaputra. This was the mangrove forest in India. The last one. Write any 5 biosphere reserve of India. Write any 5 biosphere reserve of India. Reserve. First one, Gulf of Mannar. Second one, Sundarban. Third one, Agastya Malay. Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Agastya Malay, and fourth one, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Agastya Malay, and two more, Nilgiri, the Nilgiris and Nandadevi. Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Agastya Malay, the Nilgiris, Nandadevi. Actually, many biosphere names given to you. You have to pick out and write which are easier, which had given in your book. So I just selected these 5 as the answer for the 5 biosphere reserve which located in India. So as per your choice, you can pick out and do in your paper. So these are the 9 short answer which given under the lesson of climate and vegetation of India. The next one, distinguish between. Distinguish between. The first question. Weather and climate. So weather and climate. The first one, you have to make a table column. You have to make a table column under the side heading of weather and climate. First, you have to write weather is a day-to-day condition. Weather is a day-to-day condition. Weather is reporting the day-to-day condition, condition of the temperature. So, the day-to-day the day-to-day condition of temperature. Climate, it's accumulation of weather and temperature for more than 30 years. So the day-to-day condition of temperature is what referred as the weather. It's an accumulation of weather and temperature for more than 30 years. Actually, the same kind of weather, same kind of temperature will be retained at a place for a long duration. So that kind of condition comes under climate. The day-to-day change on temperature is what referred as the weather. Then second one, evergreen forest and deciduous forest. So first one, evergreen forest. It receives, first point, it receives rainfall more than 200 centimeter. Opposite side, it receives rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter. That's the first point. Second point, temperature. Temperature which is in evergreen forest is 22 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, deciduous forest area have the temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Only 2 points. It receives more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Second point, its temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Here it receives rainfall between 100 to 200. Second point, its temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Actually, then what kind of trees are grown in both evergreen forest, deciduous forest? It's an optional point. If you are ready to write it in your paper, that's depending upon your choice. But it carries only 2 marks. So these 2 points are enough under each evergreen forest and as well as under deciduous forest. So this is the second question, which is under distinction between. Third one is northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon. First one, northeast monsoon. First, you have to write the period. For first period, duration August to September. Sorry, June to September. June to September. Second one, here, first one, October to December. Second point, northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon, duration June to September, here October to December. And second point is it originates from land to sea. Here it originates from sea to land. So these 2 points are enough. If you want to write more than that points, you can add, no problem, no worries. So that's depending upon your choice. So today we have seen some 9 short answers and as well as 3 distinction between, and 2 give reasons for that and 2 detailed answers for that. That will be added in the next video. So thank you for staying with me. I hope everyone is going to subscribe my channel, and everyone is going to click the like button towards to me. So please share the video, dear friends. Thank you.